Now in this lesson, we're going to be looking at knee, okay? Now, most attacks happen in close quarter range. So if the bully's in your face, he's grabbed you, maybe he's pinned you on the wall, and we're going to be looking at common attacks later. Being able to throw low line strikes like knees are great, okay? Now, the advantages of knees is that they're really solid strikes, they're low line, they're harder to defend against. The disadvantage is if the bully is pushing you or pulling you, you have higher chances of slipping and falling, okay? So it's important to know both. But let's look at how to knee, okay? So the first thing is you want to trap, right? So find here, I'll do it this way, and find here, my head is off the center line, either here or here, okay? From here, I'm pulling in and I'm kneeing, okay? Generally speaking, I don't want to be here because I'm kneeing here. I want the head to be on the opposite, on the lead leg. So I'm trapping here, my head is here, and I'm pulling him in, and as I pull in, I knee, okay? If I was going the other way, my head would be here. I'm trapping. I don't want to keep my head out here because he could headbutt me or punch me. I'm tucked in. And I'm putting my body into it. It's very important to really get these strikes properly, because when we're going to do common attacks, you're going to be putting all these strikes in the common attacks. Okay? So, Noah, let's get you knee. Okay? So Noah just interlocked his fingers. You don't want to interlock your fingers because you want to be able to release them quickly if you have to. So you just want to bring them here. Obviously the dummy. Now you're using your forearms here. Keep your head off the center line. Okay, so that's it. Tuck in your head here. So if he tries to punch you or pull you or whatever it is, your head. From there, you're going to drive the knee in and you're going to pull him in. Give me 10 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Very good. Now as you can see, Noah was doing that amazing, very good. He was driving in his hips. Your power comes from your hips. So you want to pull him into the knee, okay? And you want to make sure you're not just picking it up. It's like an arrow. It launches and it comes in. So as I pull him in, he comes into the knee. Now you can hit the groin, the midsection, it doesn't really matter. Now let's do it with the other side now. So other leg forward, now your head here, and give me 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great, very good now. Now, we did both sides. We went left and we went right, okay? Now we're gonna practice another way to knee, which is a little bit harder because I want you to train it just to get used to be able to switch your stance, okay? But this is a little bit technical, a little bit harder, but with some practice, you're gonna be able to do it for sure. Now you're gonna knee and lands, knee and lands, knee and lands, knee and lands, knee, just to get you used to being able to knee. So I switch, I knee, switch, I knee, switch, knee, switch, knee, okay? I'm mostly doing this just to work on your footwork from moving left to right, okay? Let's go, Noah. Have we done this before, Noah? No, we haven't. Okay, good. Go, so knee, good. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give me another 10. Now what I want you to do now, instead of hopping, I want you to go boom, land, boom, boom, boom. Okay? Do it again. Go, boom, good. 2, nice. 3, 4, good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, very good. So again, those knees are great. They're powerful because they're low line. And if somebody grabs you, again, pins you on the wall, has you in close quarter, you want to be able to use your knees to create an opening so you can hit high. The important thing about doing the knees is making sure that you're trapping, making sure that you're driving it in with your hips, that you're putting your whole body behind the strike, and you're not just bringing up the knee, you're actually aiming and you're pulling in at the same time. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you next time.